dinner, Lean and Mean Boot Campers, is chicken wrapped in bacon with feta cheese and sun-dried tomato. So, one flattened out, pummeled chicken breast from Muscle Food with feta cheese, one with the sun-dried tomato, roll it over. There's another one just being done. Wrap it in bacon. Really simple. And here's some more we prepared earlier, just like Blue Peter. Ready to pop into the oven. And these are ideal to serve with sweet potato chicken wedges and green salad, or you could just have these on their own with salad, or you could have them with a small amount of rice after you've done boot camp. Absolutely fantastic, full of protein, full of nutrition. Enjoy.